for fitting the tail rack and the saddle support. You first have to open the screw bolts. So this is the grab. First is the bolt, then the spacer, then this. This is the tail rack surround, and then you have to use these spacers, the other spacers, for this and this. So now your tail rack rods have been installed. This is the left side, this is the right side. So you can see on the vehicle it has been installed like this. Now we are going to install the top plate over here. Now we have fitted this plate. Now this is the top plate. Now see, this is the tail rack that we have fitted. Now this is how it will look finally. This is the final picture of your tail rack.